Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today we're going to install the cold air intake on the Ford Edge ST. So let's get started. So you're going to start by loosening these two hose clamps, removing these two bolts, and then disconnecting the IAT sensor. Next, you're just going to pull off these two tubes. After you disconnect the tubes, you can just pull the airbox right out. So now you're going to install the tubes into the air filter. The tubes will have these little notches, and you're just going to want to line them up with the notch in the flange, and then you can tighten down the hose clamps. Next, you're going to install these two brackets onto the S&B airbox, and then you can install it into the vehicle. To remove the IAT sensor from the stock airbox, you're just going to lift the tab over the ramp, and then you can remove. Install the IAT sensor into the S&B airbox and rotate until the tab is backed up to the ramp. When installing the airbox into the vehicle, you're just going to connect the IAT sensor, and then you can install it into the tubes. So now you're going to go in and tighten the hose clamps and then reinstall the two screws that you removed earlier. Remove the protective layer from both sides of the clear lid and install it in the lid seal. And then you can just snap it in the airbox. Alright guys, so that is it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions, you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.